Ever feel like your skincare is actually fighting you? Let's get into the science behind it. You've bought the powerful stuff, expecting miracles, right? But instead, your skin just gets worse. Sound familiar? It's a super frustrating cycle. We're going to break it down with actual biology. This whole thing usually starts with one big myth, that stronger is always better. But here's the thing, your skin is a living system. You can't just bully it into behaving. To really get this, you need to meet the hero of this story, your skin barrier. Okay, so picture a brick wall. Skin cells are the bricks, and natural fats are the mortar. When that wall is solid, your skin is happy. It's calm, it's balanced, it just works. So what happens when you throw those strong products like retinoids or acids at it? Well, they're meant to cause a little damage to get your skin to rebuild stronger. But the million-dollar question is, can your skin barrier actually handle that controlled damage? Because if your barrier is already weak, you're not fixing anything, you're just making it worse. And that kicks off a nasty cycle. More damage, more oil, more breakouts, you get the idea. So how do you escape? It sounds crazy, but the answer is actually to do less. You gotta give your skin barrier a real chance to recover. Let it rebuild itself. If your skin is totally freaking out, it's time for a reset. Just 4 simple steps. First, cleanse without stripping it. Then, add back that mortar with a good repair serum. Next, seal it all in with a moisturizer. And every single morning, mineral SPF. No excuses. Stick with just this for about 2 to 4 weeks. Seriously, give it time to heal. Don't worry, your skin will let you know when it's ready for more. It'll feel better. So the goal really shifts, right? It's not about being stronger. It's about being smarter. Listen, if you've been going through this, your skin isn't broken. It's giving you feedback. So the real question to ask yourself is, what is my skin trying to tell me?